Welcome to Bike Lane, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883, a bike that has held its place as one of the most iconic entry-level Harleys. Does the latest model live up to its legacy? Let's find out. The Iron 883's legacy. The Iron 883 has been a staple in Harley-Davidson's lineup for years. Known for its minimalist bobber design, raw riding experience, and reliable performance, it has always appealed to both new and seasoned riders. Unlike Harley's bigger cruisers, this bike focuses on agility and simplicity, making it a great choice for city riding and casual highway cruising. What's new in the 2025 model? Harley-Davidson has kept the essence of the Iron 883 intact while refining some key aspects. The suspension has been slightly improved, making for a smoother ride on bumpy roads. The paint quality and finishes have been upgraded, ensuring better durability over time. Riders now have more color options, including matte black, vintage bronze, and metallic gray, all of which maintain the bike's signature dark, aggressive look. Engine and performance. At its core, the 2025 Iron 883 still runs on the 883 cubic centimeters Evolution V-twin engine, delivering around 49 horsepower and 54 lb-ft of torque. It may not be the most powerful Harley, but it offers plenty of low-end torque, perfect for cruising. The 5-speed manual transmission keeps the riding experience engaging, while the air-cooled engine ensures a classic Harley feel. Ride and handling. The Iron 883 features a low seat height of 760 mm, 29.9 inches, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Its mid-mounted foot controls and slightly forward handlebars provide a comfortable yet aggressive riding posture. With updated suspension tuning, the bike handles city streets well but still retains the firm ride typical of a Sportster. The narrow frame and lightweight build make the Iron 883 easy to maneuver, especially in urban environments. However, for long-distance touring, riders might want to consider seat upgrades or added accessories like a windshield. Sound and exhaust. One of the highlights of any Harley is its signature exhaust note. The Iron 883's stock exhaust produces a deep, throaty sound, but many riders opt for aftermarket exhausts to amplify its presence even more. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With a 3.3-gallon fuel tank, the Iron 883 offers decent range, making it great for both daily commutes and weekend rides. While it doesn't come with advanced tech features like ride modes or a digital display, its analog speedometer and minimal electronics add to the bike's old-school charm. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 remains one of the most accessible models in Harley's lineup, with a starting price that makes it an attractive entry point into the world of cruisers. It's ideal for riders who want a classic, no-frills motorcycle with a strong heritage and timeless design. If you're looking for a powerful, high-tech ride, this might not be the bike for you. But if you love pure, unfiltered riding with a bold attitude, the Iron 883 is still one of the best options out there. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Iron 883. Would you ride one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle content. This is Bike Lane, signing off. Ride safe.